In our last videos, we learned about basic operations on computer. From today, we are going to start a new lesson. We are going to study about different applications in the computer. As a basic user of the computer, the most common application that we will be dealing with is Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Office package includes application for documentation, for making presentation, for documenting tables. So we will be starting with the Microsoft Word application in the Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Word is the application used for documentation purpose. Like if you want to write a letter, you can type it in the Microsoft Word. Or if you want to write a story, for typing it is very easy to use MS Word application. Okay, so we will start Microsoft Word today. For starting this application, we have to click on Start, and you can see sometimes it will be we can see the softwares installed in the computer. In that you can see Microsoft Office package. In that you can see Microsoft Word application, and you can just click it and take. That is a little bit difficult way. We can easily take this application by just typing Word in the search bar. You can see, we just type Word in the search bar. You can see Word 2013. It is the application. Just click that. You will get Microsoft Office Word ready on your screen. We will start with a blank document, so it will be easy for us to learn. So first option is blank document. Click that. This is the Microsoft Word interface. We will be writing the letter, typing a story, whatever documentation that you want to do, it can be done in this window. So you can see a blank white space here. This is the place where we will be typing our articles. There are many menus available in the menu bar. We will study each of these menus one by one in our videos. Today we will be seeing how to type. Simple thing. After opening this window, just click on this white space using your mouse pointer. Then you can see one line blinking here. That is your pointer. Then I am going to start typing using my keyboard. This is MS Word. Okay, I wrote the first sentence. This is MS Word. In this you can see there are capital letters and small letters. First, we can study how to change the letter case. For changing that, we have to use a menu here, or in your keyboard you can use caps lock. So first time I am pressing the caps lock and typing hi. So I got capital case letters. I am pressing caps lock once again in the keyboard. Then I will get smaller cases. Smaller case hi. Okay. Then or else there is another method to change the case using the menus. So but I want to change the smaller case hi to capital case. Think like that. I will select that particular word using my mouse by just clicking and dragging. Click and select. Then you can see in the menu bar a option with uppercase and lowercase a symbol, and there is a arrow mark there. Click that arrow mark. You can see the option lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. So it is already lowercase. So I want to change it to uppercase. I am clicking on the second option, uppercase. Okay. So that is done. And if I want to again change this high A and I alphabet to lowercase, select both of that alphabet, click on lowercase. So it is okay now. Then I am selecting the entire thing, whatever I have typed. Then I am typing capitalize each word. Then first letter of each word will be capitalized. Then I am selecting it again and I am clicking toggle case. And if I am doing like this, whatever alphabet was in the lowercase will be changed to uppercase, and the uppercase alphabets will be changed to lowercase. Opposite will be done. That is known as toggle case. Hope you understood how to type. Basic typing, okay. So I am going to type this once again. I pressed caps lock. I again pressed caps lock once again because I want only T in this word to be capital. So this is, I again pressed caps lock, then I got the capital M, S, then again pressed caps lock, so I got small letter. This is MS Word. Hope you understood this much. How to start typing. Then you can type whatever you want. Okay. And this done. If you want to go to the next line, press just enter key. Then you can start typing again. I pressed enter key again. Okay. To zoom in and zoom out, you can see an option at the bottom part above the taskbar. Okay, this option, you can see how much percentage you are zooming in and zooming out. So this is the 100% zoomed window of Microsoft Word. So we learned how to type, how to change it to capital case, lowercase, changing the case, toggle case, all this we learned today. See the alignment, how to change the alignment, how to organize it in right, left, center in our next video, and how to make it bold, italic, underline, all those things we will be seeing in the next